Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Tuni Portable Coffee Scale, and this thing does much more than just scale coffee. It can scale all types of things, so let's unbox it and check it out next. Alright, now let's get the scale unboxed. And as I said in the intro, this is more than just a coffee scale, but it does coffee scale very well. It is very detailed, very accurate, can do small amounts and large amounts just the same. So right away we have our USB-C charging cable, which is very nice. No micro USB. All devices should have USB-C charging by now, and this one does, so that is great. As for the device itself, you guys be the judge and take a look at this. Wow. Fantastic, beautiful looking product with tempered glass on the top. So really cool, very simple, just has a power button and then a timer button and an on and off switch and a USB port, and that's it. And it's pocket size, very compact. As you can see, the capacity is 0.3 grams all the way to 2,000 grams. And it's got a 500 milliamp battery as well. So this thing should last pretty long as far as its charge. To power on, you just simply press the power button, and then you can switch between grams, double tap, and then you can get milliliters, and then you can get ounces. So it supports solids and liquids as well, so that is really nice. Go ahead and place in my iPhone. You can see that that's 258 grams. So, and once again, it can weigh all the way up to 2,000 grams. So much more than an iPhone. So this thing can handle quite the big loads as well, and that is very nice to see. A lot of scales cannot handle that much. It also has high precision weighing, perfect for weighing coffee beans and observing coffee flow rates and measuring small portions of food like flour and baking. So that's very nice as well. This thing is compact, but it packs a punch and it delivers, I'll tell you that much. Alright, now I'm just going to weigh some coffee beans here. We know this thing's going to perform well, but let's just check it out. Oops, dropped a bean there, dropped another one, but you can see this is some nice roasted beans, and we got 11.4 grams of that, and it's pretty accurate as far as the weight goes. Now here, I just decided to put a kettle pot on top and just see if it can handle the water that I pour into it and actually see if it can get the flow rate. And look at that, as you're going up, it gives you a nice digital scale, and you could switch to liquid mode for water and fluids as well. Okay, next up, this is just going to be some ground coffee, same thing. We know this thing's going to perform fine, but you have flow rate mode and ratio mode for precise coffee brew, and if you want to be down to just the fraction of a gram, you can. And some of the other features are 2 timing modes, manual and automatic, auto sleep mode, and memory mode, and much more. And like I said, that was the Tuni Portable Coffee Scale. Fantastic device, gives you everything you need, liquid or solids. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.